See, the light helps, Eddie. Oh man, it'll definitely pick up the explosion. I think we need to note that no MCA equipment was harmed in the making of this film.
I did take a marker from work.
Okay. We got a standard Dell Dimension 5510. We're going to perform some much needed technical support.
We have a 2.5 pound explosive. We've never done this before. Let's walk up this hill. Hopefully it picks it up. I'm kind of glad we did it.
Easy.
Hold that. All right,
what are we shooting at it?
a 308 Winchester Magnum. Yards.
75 yards for 2.5 pounds.
But that was with not inside a Dell computer.
So we think we got a little protection inside the computer.
I think I can't see anything.
You can't see the light?
I can't see the hole in my ring. There we go.
What are we planning on doing here? You just sighting it in right now?
No, I'm gonna try to hit it.
Hold on. Let's see if I could make sure I got it on camera. Alright, I think I got it.
It's gonna be hard to hit it. See this little ghost ring? Have we gotta be able to see through?
Uh-huh.
It's gonna be hard to do.
Is that light helping?
No, it's worse.
It's worse?
Yeah, let's get dark. There we go.
It's
I was not expecting that.
we gotta do it during the daytime. We'll see how this thing picks up. But it's pretty dark.
We gotta get out of here. I was not expecting to be that big. Oh my god. Wow.